Happening today, kids in Dayton kicking butt. Today is National Kick Butts Day, where kids in Dayton join thousands of young people nationwide to promote a smoke-free lifestyle.
And Hillary Zala is live at East End Community Services Youth Center, where the event kicks off today at 2 p.m. And Hillary, there are some unique things happening today, right?
Yeah, the kids will really be doing some things that'll open your eyes. In fact, they're placing tombstones to make sure that people understand the risks of smoking tobacco. And of course, for these kids, it's really also teaching them what they can expect if they ever get into that drug. So this morning, we also have some interesting things for you. More than 1,400 events are planned across the nation today, sponsored by the Campaign for Tobacco-Free Kids. And here are some facts. In Ohio alone, tobacco use claims 17,700 lives a year, 480,000 people nationwide. Now, smoking also costs the state $5.6 billion in healthcare bills a year and costs the nation at least $289 billion. And finally, 21.1% of Ohio's high schoolers smoke. So today it's all about getting the kids out there and active and making sure that they're taking a stand against tobacco. If you would like to take part in this event, again, it takes place right here at 2 p.m. today at the East End Community Services. We're right off Xenia Avenue. Reporting live in Dayton, I'm Hillary Zala for ABC 22 News.